Step into the 2015 Audi A6. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Audi prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, a blind spot monitoring system, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and power front seats. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audi also prioritized safety and security by including front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.